You're going to regret this if you do not do this. Mark my words. Years from now, you'll be sitting somewhere regretting that you did not get involved in this. Let me tell you a story about a guy named Jeff, who had a great job. Top floor, great office, awesome paycheck. So one day he was talking to his friend and he said, "Now I'm thinking about quitting my job and starting an online bookstore." The friend replies, "Wow, that's a great idea for somebody who doesn't have a great job. Let somebody else do it." But Jeff had other thoughts. He had come up with a framework and later on named it the regret minimization framework. What he did was think of himself on his deathbed, and in his mind he asked himself a question. What if he did not get involved in the internet when he did? And that visualization made him realize that he would regret it for the rest of his life. That made him quit his job and start Amazon, one of the biggest companies in the world. If you do not get involved in the internet at some level in your life, be it to live a better life, be more happy, more healthy, more successful, to have more time and freedom to escape that 9-to-5 grind, you might regret it. So if you're an entrepreneur that is new to the internet, my partner and I have put together an incubator that teaches the processes and algorithms to start an online business, so that you can actually work from anywhere for yourself. Whether it's in your spare time or a full-time gig, leave me a comment if you're ready to start, because if you don't get involved in this, you will regret it for the rest of your life.